He had it. There he is. Oh, little guy.
3 bites or 1 fish?
Three bites, 1 fish. And boom. All right, guys, today is going to be a super interesting video. I'm gonna hand this rod over to Lucas. He's gonna continue fishing, and I'm gonna be setting up a different rod that is never before seen on my channel. So guys, this is definitely going to be interesting because today I have a bamboo fishing rod. Now I bought this about, I don't know, 3 years ago. Oh, Lucas is getting hits out there. He's got one. Stop interrupting the intro. Is that another small one? Another small guy. On the topwater frog. I'm gonna attempt to set this up. I got this a couple years ago, meaning to make a video on it. Now I'm finally getting around to it, and hopefully you're gonna catch some monster fish on this. So let's go ahead and set this up. So it comes with this to attach to the tip of this rod. Man, this is really flexible. I hope it could withstand it. I'm not gonna be using this. You got 12-pound Berkeley Vanish. It should help a little bit. I don't know how that other line is super skinny. So I think I'm just gonna do a normal fisherman's knot up here at the top. Hopefully this will hold. I don't know how much line to do, Luke. I think I'm all rigged up and ready. I think I might have done too much line. Wow, this is flimsy, dude. Look at it. Oh gosh, this is gonna be so weird. This is like a freaking 8-foot rod. Oh, here we go. It just feels weird to hold.
Oh, it doesn't even have those eyes on it?
It's got one eye at the top.
That's wild. Get on this side and keep shooting towards the middle.
I almost hooked myself last time I threw it. This is gonna feel so, I feel so awkward. You need like one of those rockets to shoot your bait out. And then you just
it's almost like those clay pigeon things.
Wait, what?
For shooting buckshot.
Oh, I need more line. Can't get out there. What, are you gonna throw it?
I want to walk over there and throw it.
That's a great idea. See, that would be perfect. We need to put more line on now. We need to put more line on. Because we can really whip that out there.
Holy crap. See, that's it.
He pulled the whole thing in?
That's what taunt line's all about, my friend.
Alright, Lucas, I think this is gonna work. There's too much give in this. I can't hook them.
Roll as far as you can out into that process. Really yard at me.
Oh no, it's in the damn tree. Oh, look at that guy! Come on, that could have to. Did you go in the water?
Yeah, a little bit.
There he is! Oh, he was on it! Ow! Oh, I think he's on it! He's on it! I don't know what to do!
You gotta reel him in, man. This is a one.
He's on it! He's on! He's so tiny! Don't you come off! Don't you come off! Yes! I'm covered in line right now. Oh gosh. Look at how much I barely hooked him. If I can move all this stuff. Look at that! Oh my god! Oh, that took too much effort. Way too much effort. Oh man, so tiny, but I kinda caught him on the bamboo rod.
The pumpkin seed rod.
The pumpkin seed rod. This thing is a noodle. I didn't even feel him on. I couldn't feel anything. The bamboo fishing rod was a success. Oh man. All right, we're giving it a take 2. We're gonna see if we can get a bigger one. I don't know if it's possible. I think we had, wow, this is very, very dirty lens. Well, explain your little contraption, Lucas.
Pole with hole, Bradbury frog in the hole.
We're gonna have to beep that out. Then you just whip it.
Yep.
No! No!
You didn't push it in hard enough.
No! How in the heck did you just get that down? That was over like 4 branches. There we go. Okay, this is gonna be a fish. This is gonna be a fish. Come on, baby. There he is! I got him! What did I see? Where's the camera? The camera fell! No, it's right there. Do I still got him? I got him! I got him! Oh, God! Gotta get in here! Oh, shit.
So excited.
Oh! Oh, no. Oh, wow. Wow, I actually hooked him pretty good. Look how I hooked him this time. Right through the bottom of the mouth. I'm letting him go.
Yeah, that'll be food.
Small little guy. Right here. All right. Got it? So that's all we need is good throws, really. There it is, there it is. Here we go. Behind camera. Got him again! I don't know what to do. Look at the rod bend. Lucas, look at the rod bend.
It's so hard to see it in the
I know,
camera.
I can't get the line. I think he's bigger. I think he's bigger. I don't know. I'm hand lining it, so I can't really tell. Nope, he's definitely not bigger.
2 in a row. Getting better.
Your arm's getting better. Oh gosh. He has a, no, he's about the same size again.
Must have had a ton of babies recently.
Yeah, these ones must have been recent. Cool. I can't get enough of this.
Let's do another one. 3 for 3. Little ones.
So I just drove over to Megan's to edit this video and I just realized, well, just remembered that I ran out of battery before I could do an outro. I'm gonna do it right now. Thank you all for watching, guys. I've had so much fun editing and, or not editing. I had so much fun filming this one. It was a totally new experience. And I actually had that rod for a couple years now, just wanting to make this video, and I finally got it out, opened her up, and caught a few fish with it, thankfully. If you guys have tried these bamboo rods, put them in the comment section. Let me know, because it was kind of tough. Give me some tips or something, because it was fun. I'm pretty sure it's just made to dangle over a dock or something for some bluegill, but I took it to the next level. I did some topwater frog fishing with it. Enough babbling. Thank you all for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.